The organizing function of managerial work is a function in which the synchronizations and combination of human, physical, and financial resources takes place.
Therefore, organizational function helps in achievement of results, which is in fact important to the functioning of a concern.
The organizing function of managerial work is crucial for achieving organizational goals. It involves the following key steps.
Defining roles and responsibilities. Assigning tasks to individuals or teams so everyone knows what to do. All activities to be performed in the organization must be identified and grouped into units or departments.
Combining similar tasks into departments, teams, units for efficiency, as similar and related activities are combined into units or department, a process known as departmentation.
Power and externs are classified to managers, creating a hierarchy that helps in efficiency by setting up authority levels and reporting relationships to maintain order.
Distributing people, money, tools, and materials where they are most needed. Examples are: number 1, human resources, delegating tasks so workloads are balanced. Number 2, financial resources, deciding or approving how much budget to allocate for marketing versus the product development. And last, number 3, time, prioritizing tasks over long-term initiatives.
Ensuring different parts of the organization work together toward common goals. Making sure the right people at the right time do the right things together.
Organizing function of a manager is essential for structuring the increasing efficiency and ensuring that all operations within an organization function properly and smoothly.